Previously.
He said right after you make the next drop, I should have you killed.
Big, huge favor.
Like what?
I'm ready to come in that studio. See my Facebook. How did you let that happen?
Why him?
Yeah.
You don't believe in me?
It's not that I don't believe in you. I'm just saying there's so much other stuff that you could be doing and to be wasting your time in some stupid competition.
You ungrateful motherfucker.
Whenever me, I'm saying, I mean, put you under a whole heap of stress and.
Long time one go to studio and I'm going to say we have to link you know it.
Man, want to put some shifty movement, dog. I know some try to make money, you know, dog.
You know me, I say.
I go on, man.
You don't want to go to rob nobody no more, no man.
I really thought me, yo, look at that, we have to do, dog. You said I watch my youth. So you can take this off, dog. You say nice. You say nice, dog.
Are them thing there? A long time man want to go to studio and I use like a go round thing, man, there on another.
I really thought, man. Like, I want to keep man so long, dog. Man say you want to make money and thing. I'm not serious, man.
So matter of fact, see him there come, give him a pray.
Yeah, man, real.
The good die, brother, me miss you so much. The good die, the good die.
Yo, I'm going, brother.
Yeah, no,
Oh, go on, brother.
I don't know if you're going to link with you, my youth.
Word, man.
Yeah, you look for your thing, you know what I mean?
John Star. So what we can reach now is studio, brother?
Yo, you know, say the studio link I'm gonna have. The man. I give the man some work. And the man I got tell me say him get robbed on 59th Street.
59?
The blood clot, yeah, say man.
Yes, I'm probably going there and say, dog. Shit, 59,
Yeah,
brother.
me no man.
Man.
Oh.
Want to bring him to go over the studio, but because him have the link, it's like him a tell me say him get robbed and because of that now him a dodge me. You see me? I know me can't even get, but I still a go around there, see me and say,
See me?
want to get ready and get to no song together cause a 10 G's. You see me? But we still a go, but that the whole up, you see me? But the same time find them boy that will rob the link, a gunshot.
Dopey, what I say?
And I go want to no look out, you know,
Yeah,
cause
man,
I really think, you know, my thing now I go sign it, you see me?
I have to keep me out to make sure I stay strapped, you know what I mean?
Alright, I say a word.
Yo, some people make you dog. You know, say I feel me. You bumbo clot. My youth, yo, I must have to strap one thing, yo.
Nah, tell them, man.
How do you play this, my youth?
Yo, we don't know still. Yo,
I feel that, man. You can't go something.
Yo. Meet me over Ghetto Shack.
Ghetto Shack?
Yeah, Ghetto Shack. Restaurant. 93rd Avenue.
I'll be there like 2 minutes. Alright. That's good, G.
Yeah, no. What the restaurant thing?
Well, you know, putting it together. I just set up the menu
Yeah.
and it's looking good, man. I got curry shrimp, shrimp Alfredo, pepper shrimp, shrimp pasta, curry crab, rice and peas, white rice, mac and cheese, oxtail, you know? Putting everything together.
Sound good, but you know some more restaurant there and so over the chef thing, what about the chef
Yeah.
thing?
I'm the baddest chef in Brooklyn right now, so competition, I don't have that, bro.
Alright, that one here, isn't it? This is and I said Friday.
Friday, definitely.
Alright, so I'm gonna send out a blast with the people that know. Alright then. Hey, how you doing? You right? I was just wondering if you were able to pull that off. I know it must have been hard for you or whatever, but now we can finally be together, you know? Thank you. I'll see you in a few.
See you.
Bye-bye.
Get that money from Flicks. I know you're nice now, right?
Get this money from Flix.
What do you mean money from Flicks?
Yo, Flix, I dodged me from money and that man tell you no man, you. Yeah, what the money, man? Nah.
I saw Flicks like a week ago and he said that he's gonna look for you and he asked me where you at.
So, oh, me, I look for him. And nah, I said the phone, but him, I look for me. That makes sense?
A lot of confusion. I realize a lot of fucking confusion with y'all Jamaicans. So you ain't see
Nah,
that?
nobody with a Jamaican, somebody like that.
Well, I gotta press the Jamaican situation.
Right, I know. That not make no sense. So, what you tell him? What you tell him somebody?
I told him that you be at the diner every Thursday. Every fucking Thursday.
Just don't make no sense, bad man. That just don't make no sense, you see me? But anyway, so the link, studio link, it's a forward, so if you want you ask me again, come tell you the same thing every time.
I'm gonna stop asking when it happens. Right?
Yeah,
I'll stop asking when it happens. Because I do only train people, it's not getting a fucking blind when it comes to the music.
Alright, bad man. Yo, man, I come picking up now, see? Right.
I tell you about bringing people to my house.
Artist, boss, I know say I do the studio thing, you tell me. So, I might as well get acquainted because I hate to say, you know, she good. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get a buckle to celebrate because I hate to say. Saying I feel.
So you know as a boss like you, may I pray from how long? Boss like you know to get things done. I just feel like that. You know? Because you're rough. I'm a love man rough. That time, yeah. I'm sure. Boss like you, you're so tense. You think you're gonna kill one nigga or gonna make me boss? Impossível?
Keisha from last night, me I call her. Answer the phone, no man. Everything good now, when I have to run no more. Done, dead. Keisha.
eat that thing that my youth. Man, we could set up ourselves some my youth.
Yo, I'm making page, D man.
Yeah, man, look at that.
Yo, you can eat that thing that dog. You know, so the man, yo, a Greg links that virgin. Yo, I know the man, they look for you in a virgin and a page in a man. What can I think that, my lord? John knows. Alright.
Only the good die. Only the good times. Only the good times. One morning me wake up when I want split say I pray thankful for another day. Head mash up when me get the phone call so my brother just pass away. Never know the day would come. Life got shot by the gun. Some white blood up around the cold. Them text and drop big son. The good die young. Never know the day would come. Life got shot by the gun. The good die young. Oh, the good die young. Brother, me miss you so much. The good die young. The good die young. The cops them miss you. The family miss you. Janelle would I give the whole world to kiss you. Not to mention you too little huge. I know it's hard to tell them the truth. Said that the past and gone, but his memory